Sheesh. Oh, all right.
That's the nicest charcuterie
Yes,
board
chef.
I've ever seen.
Let's make a charcuterie board.
We're going to start with some aged sharp cheddar from Oregon. Deep, savory, and nutty. We have some taleggio from Italy. Soft, buttery, creamy, slightly funky, delicious, pungent, aromatic. Gotta have your aged pecorino from Italy. Very bold and rich, crumbly, delicious. We have some salami Milano and pepperoni roses. And the most amazing 24-month aged truffle prosciutto, in my opinion, the star of the board. Fantastic. We got some smoked almonds, dried figs, and some salted cashews. Got some black grapes from South Africa. What's a charcuterie board without some cornichons, rosemary baguette slices, and salt and pepper crackers? Enjoy, guys.